In this video, I'm going to show you a total of 6 different apps that will pay you up to $1,000 each day, and all you need is just to install all the apps on your phone and you start making the money up there. And it's available in every country of this world. As you can see, we have some of the payment proof app here. You can see this person is making $5, have cash out $5, and this one is $11, and you can see this one is $10. So people are really making money, no investments needed, and this is completely 100% free, and it's available in every country that you find yourself. And it can be USA, UK, Canada, Australia, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, any country at all that you find yourself. And it's work worldwide. And as you can see, people are really making money in this, and you don't need no experience, and you don't need any special experience to do it. But the concept here is that you need to download all the app and install them on your phone to make this money. So keep watching. I'll be right back with you to show you how to download and install and make your $1,000 series. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Now the first app we have here is what we call Ad Wallet, and you can go to adwallet.com to get your app. And in this app they pay you money for just watching video or watching adverts. So as you can see there, they say what, get reward for watching videos from brand and you can care about, and the interaction take a few minutes and worth up to $3. So as you can see, you get $3 for just watching a video. Oh, that's supernatural and that's amazing. $3 for just watching a video. So all you need is just to play the video and watch the video, and you end up to 50 cents to $3 per video that you watch. And you can earn $1 per a referral that you bring, and this is so simple to do. And all that you need is just come, and if it is the video, you just click on the video, watch the video, and you get paid. And this can work on your phone, on your laptop, or every device that you're using. All you need is just to play your video, and when you're done, relax, and your money you get paid for doing that. As you can see, these are some of the payment proof that people are really cashing out. People are getting $6, $10, $11, and they can pay you in any ways that you bring, any payment method. So comment below and let me know the device you are using and the payment method available in your country below. And as you can see, the app have paid up to $1 million cash and rewards pay out to people every single month. So you can see that the first month is the amount of money paid to people around the world, and you can reach, if you reach $10, you can cash out your money, and there is no work, no money. So all you need is that they will just pay you a cool cash. It doesn't work through any network. All they need is just pay you a cool cash. You want to create a free account, all you need is just to come up there and click on sign up right now, and you create your free account. So let's move on to app number 2. So the second app we have here is what we call 5-minute profit page, and you can click on the link below to get access and to take you to 5 minutes profit page, as you can see here. And this app will automatically help you to end up 300 commission every single day. And the reason why I love this app is that this app works truly, and only one click that will do everything for you. You don't have to sell anything by yourself, you don't have to do anything by yourself, but only one click will do everything for you. You don't have to bring no referral, you not sell anything, you not type anything. All you need is just log in the app. The app will do everything for you. So as you can see, my Warrior Plus, as you can see, that's my account. So you just get an affiliate link. You can see, just get an affiliate link here. Or you come here, you can see the sales that I've making through this app. So I'm really making a great sales through this app. So for you to make the same money as I'm making, you need to pass through 2 simple steps that you need to pass through. And if you see this is complicated for you, you can't do it, click on the link below to get access to my WhatsApp group. And in this app, all you need is your username and your password to get access. And step 1, all you are going to do is just copy and paste your affiliate link inside the app for you, and the app will do everything. The app will do everything for you to make your quick money apps I'm making here. And the reason why I'm making more money is that this app I'm talking about have a millions of products that they sell. So you can see as a million of products that they sell. So all you need to go is just go to their website and choose the product that you want to promote to make this amount. So this website is having a lot of lists there, so you can see your affiliate commission there. So you can see at this product we are having a 33 commission, this one 32 commission, and you can see a lot for you to promote there. That's why I love this app, because it's so easy, and it's so easy for you to do. So all you need is, maybe for example I want to promote this app, all you need is what, click on get link, and your affiliate link, you copy your affiliate link, and so you copy your affiliate link, and step 2, you come to the app, then you paste your affiliate link, then you click on enable for the app to promote your affiliate link for you, and that's all you need to do here. So as you can see on the screen, these are some of the commissions that new people, beginners are really making, and this app is really making money. So if you are not able to do it, just click on the link below to get access to my WhatsApp group. Click on that WhatsApp group, join my group, and I will show you more way to make money. So not to waste much time, let's go to app number 3. So the name of this app is what we call Cash Scammer, and here you are going to get free cash and gift card. All you need is just to sign up inside your account, and when you're in an account, you're just going to complete a series of tasks and you get reward for doing that. And one thing I love about this app is that the moment that you install the app on your phone, you are going to get 300 points for free. 300 points for free. You can even redeem the points to a paper money to get on your phone, paper money and mini gift card as well. So in this app you can do many different things that you want to do. You can get discounts of what you buy, you can watch videos, you can refer the app to people, you can do many other things that you can copy. Here I'm here to give you a bonus tick that you can do. So you can go to Google and type for auto checker or auto fill, and this auto checker auto fill is having over 6,000 users all over the world, and it can help you to complete a lot of work using the Cash Scammer. So when you scroll down, you can see that these are some of the demos that they're having. So you can watch some of their demos they're having, so to help you to complete a lot of work using this app. The auto clicker help you in a lot of things that you can do on this app. So all you need is just go to Google and download the auto clicker. You can sleep, you can do anything, you get points for doing that. So let me introduce myself before we continue. And my name is Shapiro, and this is my channel. I used to do video about how to make money online. So if it's your first time watching my videos, please subscribe and go ahead. You can go down, scroll down, you see a lot of video how to make money. So I will leave a link below for you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for more video how to make money online. So without missing much time, let's continue. Now the fourth app we are having is what we call Money SMS app. And Money SMS app is free for every Android phone, and you can make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. Now this app works only on Android phones, so I want you to comment below and let me know the type of device that you are using. Are you using an Android phone or you are using an iPhone to do it? And this app helps you to make money online by just receiving emails, and it's 100% free. It's free. You don't need any amount of money to start, and all you need is just to refer more people, and you tell more about the app to the people, and you earn 30% of what the company makes. For example, if you refer to Johnny and Johnny earn like $1,000, you are going to make an amount of 30% of what Johnny earns. So all you need is just go to Play Store, download your app, and sign up, and start receiving messages and get paid. You can see you just receive message and you get paid for receiving message. You not do any work, no work is needed, and you don't have even to click on the message that is sent to you. All you need is just if you receive a message, you can even delete the message and you get paid for doing all those things. All they need is they just send the message to you, and you receive the message, and you get paid in every payment method working in your country. You get paid for doing such work. So at the time of recording this video, you can see that they have sent over 3 million messages around to the people, and over 700,000 euro have been paid to people. And this app is really good. So this is a wonderful app that you not do anything, but you just earn money for receiving message. So it's a wonderful app. So moving on to app number 5, and the name is actually Affiliate Elite Boss. That's the name of this app, and I will leave the link below. If you can't do it, I will leave a link below for you to join my WhatsApp group, and I will show you how to do it. So this is my second good app, as you can see on the screen there. So this app is actually paying over 150,000 commission to everybody from Clickbank, JBZoo, Warrior, and Amazon buyers. So you don't need any special skills to do it. You don't have to pay any amount of money to anybody. You don't have to pay any amount of money to anybody. You don't have to receive Facebook followers, Instagram followers. So basically what you need to do is you just go and grab your affiliate link and post it inside the app for you to promote it for you. So as you can see on the screen, this is my Clickbank, and this is a place that you can come and grab your affiliate link. As you can see, you have what, over 1,000 great products to promote. So this is a products of health and fitness. As you can see, it's worth $125, and you can promote every app. This one is for $42, as you can see on the screen. But all you need is grab your affiliate link and post it inside here, and you get paid for doing all those things. And as you can see too, these are many. We have many products. This one is worth $90. As you can see, you have this one is worth $26. So you have many affiliate products I can sell. So as you can see, that this is a proof that people are really making money with this app. So you have a little proof there that these are people are really making money. So as you can see, these are some of the proof on my screen here that shows that people all over the world are making money daily, monthly, anything. So you can refer your friend, and also you get paid for doing all those services. So I will leave a link below. If you're not able to access it, just click on the link to join my WhatsApp group, and I will show you the best way to make money online. So now let's go to the app number 6. Our last app that we have here is what we call getpaid2.com. So you can go to getpaid2.com to get your app there, and it means this app you complete simple tasks by completing adverts, playing games, watching videos, and more. And it is 100% free. So you can click join free today to get access to your app. All you need to do is do tasks that you earn points, you change the point to $dollar. So you can see that 5,000 points is $1, and you get paid for doing that. So this app really pay, and you have a lot of games here that you can play, online games that you can play, and you get money for playing each of the games here. And don't worry, I will show you the best game to play so that you can get the best amount of money that you need to do. And these are some of the services that they have for you to complete. So if you complete this service, you get paid for completing all these services. You can also use the auto checkout that I showed you once to complete most things for you, and to get massive income, and offers for you to do. All you need is just to get your smartphone or your laptop, and you do everything. You complete every machine by yourself. If it's video you want to watch, you can watch video. You just click on the video to watch and wait on a video for the time that they have given to you, and you get paid for doing all those things. And I love this. If you want to register for this app, just click on join free today. So you click on it, then you provide your details. You just register for pay2. So you provide your details and everything they need. You click complete registration, and boom, you are done with everything. So if you think this video is very complicated, you don't understand anything, just click on the link below to get access to me. So see you on my next video. Bye.